Greetings, dear friends. My name is Matvey. I am the director of the company GLOBUS, specializing in elite furniture from China. Today we are here with you in the city of Zhejiang. As you may know, this city produces 60% or more of the world's light. Today we are visiting a special manufacturer who makes all the elements of chandeliers by hand. The factory specializes in producing designer lighting fixtures with incredible compositions of pendant lights made from glass, acrylic and ceramics. Original designs for homes and commercial projects that take your breath away. In addition, they have a design bureau where they develop many interesting designer models. Be sure to watch this video until the end, as we will show you a wide range of prices and many models. If you've already had the opportunity to watch the comprehensive tour of our office located in the vibrant city of Foshan, then you've most likely already caught a glimpse of this truly distinctive light fixture. Indeed, this particular light fixture is the very one that my beloved wife and I meticulously selected together, specifically for our professional office space. As for its name, it has a beautiful metaphorical title, Floating Clouds, Flowing Water, symbolizing the lightness and pleasantness of life. This is not just a light fixture, it's a true art object, where every detail carries its own meaning. The fixture has a diameter of 3.6 meters, and the mirrored stainless steel platform is installed under the ceiling. 60 light sources and pendants made of glass with white streaks are installed in it, creating the sensation that you are standing beneath a cloud through which soft light flows. As for us, we use this light fixture in our office with my wife. If you were to use it in your projects, in what kinds of interiors? Today we have something truly exclusive. In fact, filming in the factory showroom is absolutely forbidden for everyone. But after the collaboration platform, they still opened their doors to us and gave us permission. Take a look at this gigantic composition, 8 meters long and 4.6 meters wide. You have to admit, it's quite impressive. The composition consists of 112 teardrop-shaped glass pendants, each with numerous red bubbles inside. The pendants are attached to a mirrored platform, which houses 75 light sources. This is a voluminous hanging composition that will help you stand out and amaze your guests. But don't forget, all the pendants, their sizes and colors can be changed and customized. If you're interested, contact our managers and they will calculate a solution tailored specifically for your project. All contact information is in the description. A stunning model with a marine motif, the hanging elements imitate the movement of water or ocean waves. A truly impressive composition, the fixture is 6.8 meters long and 3.8 meters wide. The hanging elements are made of glass with white and turquoise enamel applied, featuring a metallic effect that imitates galvanization. The platform is made of stainless steel with a wavy surface that imitates the ripples of water, and in combination with the turquoise hemispheres, it creates a unique play of light, immersing you in the sensation of the sea with its deep blue color and the transparency of white clouds. The primary and most significant advantage of this esteemed factory is their unparalleled expertise and the exceptionally professional manner in which they meticulously work with glass. Every single delicate flower, each intricate and sparkling element of the magnificent chandeliers, and indeed every component, is painstakingly and skillfully crafted entirely by hand, showcasing an extraordinary level of artistry and dedication. Right now, on the television next to me, you can see the craftsmen at work, blowing glass and shaping it into original forms. So in a way, it's no exaggeration to say that every single element is unique, because during the process, each craftsman changes every element and it may differ slightly from the others. Just look at this incredible variety. There's everything here, teardrop shapes, flowers, little squares, round pieces shaped like vessels, and so much more. In other words, the factory can fully adapt to your needs even. If you have an interesting original idea, let's take a look at a few more interesting design options from the factory. For example, this lamp is made in the shape of silver ingots, which in ancient times symbolize wealth, prosperity, and all the best in the lives of the Chinese people. To my left, there's a lamp shaped like hot peppers. For instance, how do I see it? If you have a burger joint or a restaurant where you serve spicy dishes, you could hang this lamp and it would instantly convey the atmosphere and the essence of your establishment to your guests. And to my left, there's a lamp that represents flying comets. The theme of space has become very popular lately, and that's also reflected here. Next, we see a lamp that looks either like floating petals or parachutes used in sports. Yes, it's called paragliding. And there are also green peppers here. And another lamp. What I'm getting at is that even the most outlandish or bold ideas, you can bring them to life with this fact. So, friends, reach out to our managers and ask about anything that interests you. Here we have a composition with a very poetic name, Melody of Flowers. When I looked at this lamp, the first thing I thought was that it was named this way because it combines a sort of copper pipe and the flower itself. That is, the flower represents beauty, while the pipe celebrates that beauty. That's where the name came from. And in general, of course, when we talk about such lamps, they are not the main source of lighting in a room. Rather, they serve as a decorative element that creates an unforgettable, vibrant atmosphere. But thanks to the additional lighting, you can use this as the main accent in the room and complement it with other lights. In this case, your room will be filled with the right kind of light and will convey the right mood. The hanging elements in the form of buds swirl like a vortex under the ceiling. The buds are made of ceramic material. Another model that uses ceramic elements is a complex composition where the buds hang from the ceiling in clusters. The buds in white enamel are strikingly accentuated by copper-colored suspensions. Personally, I really like this light fixture because it creates a complex three-dimensional geometric shape that you can customize individually according to your preferences. And I just kept looking at it. You know, it has a kind of mesmerizing effect. And when you look at this light fixture, it inspires some very pleasant and profound thoughts. The factory works professionally, not only with glass, but also with ceramics. They have over 15 years of experience and can bring any of your projects to life, even the boldest one. An amazing composition, 5 meters long, made up of 800 elements. Just think about it. Each element has a built-in LED light, and there are also spotlights installed in the base, which provide plenty of illumination. Just imagine if you install such a structure in the lobby of your restaurant or hotel. Your guests will definitely be pleasantly stunned by what they see. Besides, you're probably wondering right away, how do you actually install all of this on site? I want to assure you that the factory provides detailed installation instructions where everything is clear and straightforward, so your electricians and installers will be able to handle it. But if you have any doubts, we can even send Chinese specialists directly to your site. We've already had this experience in Dubai, Moscow, Kazakhstan, and a number of other countries. It's actually quite affordable. In fact, I'd even say it's very cheap. So if you're interested, feel free to reach out. I never cease to be amazed by the beauty of this factory's models. Here we have a model that is made entirely of glass and has a diameter of 2 meters. The wave-like suspended elements spiral upward, symbolizing success, prosperity, and aspiration. What did you expect? This is China. Here, every design has its own meaning. I'd like to remind you that our company, GLOBUS, organizes furniture tours to China, where you can personally visit these wonderful factories and showrooms, see the quality for yourself, choose models, touch and sit on the sofas, and select the furniture, lighting, plumbing, and everything else you need for your project. If you're interested in this information, please follow the link in the description. Two-tone composition with a diameter of 1.5 meters. The light fixture is made on a stainless steel base with a black mirrored finish, decorated with pendants shaped like clear and red flowers. The design features natural motifs. The main inspiration was the blooming cotton tree, which is very common in southern China. The glass elements are shaped to imitate open cotton buds. This light fixture contains 28 light sources. The number of light sources always depends on the diameter of the fixture itself. We which masterfully continues the overarching theme of natural motifs that permeates this space. This magnificent chandelier in particular serves as a stunning focal point, not only symbolizing but also intricately replicating the unique and distinctive form of a flower widely known as Buddha's hand. In addition to glass and ceramics, the factory also uses acrylic products. Just take a look at these elements, which strongly resemble amber. They can be made in different ways, with straight lines, wavy lines, however you like, depending on your preferences. The factory actually makes very extravagant pieces. And friends, let us know in the comments, would you add such pieces to your project? Write to us, we're really interested in your opinion. It's truly very difficult, indeed quite challenging, to comprehensively show all the numerous and diverse models available in a single video, especially given the vast array of options. However, this particular factory boasts an absolutely incredible and truly remarkable variety of models, offering an extensive and impressive selection that is quite noteworthy. So if you like something from these collections, it's a great reason to come on a furniture tour to China with our company. And let me remind you that you can also send us your design project or request a free estimate, which will help you understand how interesting and beneficial it would be for you to come to China or to purchase furniture, lighting and sanitary ware remotely with our company. And your support in the form of likes and comments is very important to us. This was Matvey with you, GLOBUS company, premium furniture from China.